Looking for an easy way to earn passive income with crypto? In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy the passive token Karma, which lets you earn just by holding it. Who doesn't love the idea of earning money while they sleep? Also, I'll get you set up step by step using Trust Wallet on your mobile device and guide you through funding your wallet with Blowfin so you can start earning effortlessly. Whether you're new to crypto or an expert, this video is the one for you. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Scott, and I share tips, tutorials, and insights to help you navigate the crypto space. So if you're interested in crypto content like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button and join the journey. Today, I'm excited to guide you through purchasing Karma token, a passive income token that's making waves. With Karma, you earn just by holding it, thanks to its reflection rewards. A percentage of every transaction, whether it's a buy, a sell, a send, is redistributed to all holders. This means the more Karma you hold, the more you can earn over time. This built-in tax is designed to support the ecosystem. A small percentage goes towards reflection rewards, liquidity, token burning, and making Karma a deflationary asset. Think of it like a big black hole that's compounding the deflationary rate. So as the supply decreases, the value of your holdings will massively increase. We'll be using Trust Wallet on your mobile device for a smooth and secure experience. It'll be so easy to set up that even your grandpa can follow along. And don't miss out. Stick around to learn how you could get 20% off of your trading fees with Blowfin. Let's hop into it. Okay, you guys ready to earn some passive income? Okay, so in this video, I'm going to make this very beginner friendly. And if you already understand how a wallet works and how to create a wallet, you feel free to just skip this part and you can move on to how to purchase Karma. So for you beginners, I'm going to teach you how to set up your wallet, and then we're going to go through funding your wallet so you can purchase Karma. Okay, so what you're going to need for this setup, you're going to need two items. You're going to need a smartphone, and I really hope you have one of those. And you'll need something to write down your seed phrase. I have this black book I got from Amazon. I'll leave the link to Amazon where I got that one in the description below. But anyways, let's just hop into it. Okay, go ahead and start up your phone and go ahead and download and install Trust Wallet. So go to your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Trust Wallet. Okay, now that you've downloaded the app, you'll see two options, okay? Now, one is to enter your seed phrase. So if you've lost your wallet, your phone broke or anything like that, if you have your seed phrase or if you have it from another wallet, you can enter it in here and you'll have all your tokens inside that wallet. But for this example, we're going to go ahead and create a new wallet. So go ahead and click there. Okay, after you've created a new wallet, go ahead and back up that seed phrase. Okay, and I recommend backing it up offline. So write it down, tattoo it on yourself, do whatever you need to do, carve it in a piece of wood. I don't care. And just do not keep it online, okay? So that's the main thing, because if you get hacked or anything, if somebody gets this seed phrase, they will have access to all your funds within that wallet, okay? So go ahead and review those check boxes, and that's just basically everything that I just told you. If somebody gets a hold of it, blah, 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 they're going to steal your funds, okay? Okay, and there. Congratulations. You have now just created yourself a DeFi wallet. Okay, that's basically, think of this as your wallet just on the blockchain. So it's like the wallet in your pocket. No one has access to it. Not your bank, not anyone, only you. So you have self-custody of this wallet. All right. Karma's on the Binance Smart Chain. So you'll need BNB for gas to purchase Karma. You can also use USDT for purchasing Karma, but be aware you'll need BNB for gas. For those of you that are unfamiliar, BNB is Binance's token, and Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. So they've created their own token, and they have their own network and all that. So you can either, we got two options. You can either buy BNB directly from Trust Wallet with this buy feature right here, and you just go through it. And I believe you can purchase it with your credit card, or you could send funds to your wallet. So I've done this in another video where I purchased BNB on Binance.us, and that's Binance's US exchange. I'll leave a link up in the corner so you can follow along if you'd like to use that one. But for this video, I'm actually going to go ahead and use Blowfin. And if you're interested in lower market cap coins and perpetual trading, Blowfin has you covered. Let's hear from them. Before we dive in, I want to take a moment to thank Blowfin for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in trading crypto, Blowfin has partnered with me to offer you 20% off your trading fees. And that's a great way to save money while making the most out of your trades. Just use my referral link code EXPLORE20 when you sign up and start trading smarter today. Check out the link in the description below. And if you're looking to learn how to trade, you can also sign up for Finova in the referral link in the description. It'll not only help you grow as a trader, but also support the channel. And for that, I thank you deeply. Now let's get right back into it. Now to receive BNB, you're going to go ahead and tap on receive, and you're going to go ahead and go to the Binance network. You'll see a list of all these networks here. There you go. Copy your wallet address. It starts with the O, so that is your wallet's address. And if someone was sending you BNB, like if you had another phone or anything, you can actually scan this QR code right here, and it's basically like copying and pasting that address so you can send your funds to that. So go ahead and copy that wallet address, and after you sign up to Blowfin with our referral link EXPLORE20, you will need to fund your wallet. So go ahead and set all that up. You can purchase USDT on Blowfin. So once you have your USDT, go ahead and move the USDT over from your funded account into your spot account. And when you have your funds in your spotted account, you're able to purchase any of those tokens there. So even if you just want to hold your tokens on that exchange, feel free to just hold them in that spot. Karma is not listed on here because you are very early. Actually, Karma is not listed anywhere. So this is how we get tokens early. Okay. So after you've purchased a BNB, go ahead and send that BNB to your funded account. Okay, so this is how you can withdraw it. It'd be really nice if Blowfin actually had a withdraw button here in the spot account. That would make it a lot easier. But anyways, for now, you have to send it from your funded to your spot, buy the spot, send it back to your funded. So once you're about to send the BNB to your wallet, go ahead and double check the last 4 digits of the wallet address just to ensure that you got the correct address, okay? And follow the steps. Make sure that you're sending it on the BNB network. Okay, there we go. Now that you've received your funds into your Trust wallet, open up the built-in browser. So this built-in browser is where you can access dApps, which is decentralized apps. Think of it like, you know how you log in with a username or password or anything on other websites? In dApps and all that, you connect your wallet to their platforms, and that's basically like logging in. And it'll scan your wallet, and it'll see what you have in your wallet. Think of it like logging in. So before we do that, go ahead and go to karmatoken.org. I'll leave a link in the description so you have the correct link. Okay, and this is the Karma website. Click the Buy Karma, and that will redirect us to PancakeSwap, which is a decentralized trading platform. And shout out to the dev for doing this because this just makes it so much easier. So before you would have to go to PancakeSwap, you'd have to copy Karma tokens, its contract address, and then you'd have to paste it in there. But the dev actually made a link to where right when you click Buy Karma, it will automatically copy that contract address and have it set up. So you're just ready to go and swap for Karma. Okay, Okay, so let's go ahead and swap BNB for Karma. And you may need to set your slippage to 5 or 10% just so the transaction could go through. This is typically with like lower market cap coins. You need to set the slippage higher due to liquidity issues and stuff like that. Okay, so let's go ahead and swap. And don't do max, because remember, you're going to need to save some BNB for gas. Okay, once your transaction goes through, voila. Look at that, DeFi magic, okay? Remember to click Add Karma to your wallet. So some wallets won't recognize Karma, and you'll think that you don't have any Karma in there, but you actually do. So just remember to click that Add Karma to your wallet, and that way you can actually see the Karma within your wallet. So congratulations, that's it. You've now purchased Karma using Trust Wallet, okay? And if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, do that whole YouTube thing. Also, remember to use our referral code, EXPLORE20. You'll get 20% off of your trading fees. And other than that, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.